Shiloh Vineyard is a small family-owned winery founded in 2008 by Kirk and Treva Johnston in a quest to bring winemaking to the plains of western Kansas.
Shiloh Winery is about 5 miles off of I-70, and you do have to go down a dirt road, but it's actually not a bad road, but it's just nothing as far as the eye can see. But boy, we love this place. It's just a small family vineyard. They started as a hobby and they're growing it. They're going to be doing a lot of construction work here over the next couple of years to expand their operation, so it's kind of exciting. Can't wait to see what all they come up with and what they do with it. Definitely try to come and see them when you're driving across Kansas. You wouldn't think there'd be great wine in Kansas, but I'm telling you. This barn they use for a party venue. Let's take a look inside. Can you imagine having a little family dinner in here? How cool that would be. So pretty. Look at these awesome pictures. Wait till you see this one. Wow, look at that tornado. Wow. We're staying in the pasture this time. Last time we stayed up here by the vineyard there. And this time they said, hey, if you want to go down there by that tree and the pond, we said, heck yeah, we'll go down there.